Once upon a time, in a bright town, there lived a little boy named Henry. Henry had big, curious eyes and a smile that could light up the darkest room. However, Henry had a little problem. Whenever things didn't go his way, he would get very upset. His emotions would jump up and down like a bouncy ball. One sunny day, Henry wanted to play outside, but the sky turned gray, and it started to rain. Henry felt a storm brewing inside him, just like the one outside his window. He was about to scream and stomp his feet when his mom came over with a warm hug and said, "Henry, it's okay to feel upset, but let's find a way to calm down together." Henry's mom told him a magical trick. She called it the deep breath castle. Every time Henry felt like a storm was coming, he would close his eyes, take a deep breath in, imagine he was building a castle with his breath, and then slowly breathe out, knocking down any angry feelings with each brick of the castle. Henry practiced this trick every time he felt upset, and soon he noticed something wonderful. One day, Henry's sister accidentally broke his favorite toy. The old Henry would have yelled, but this time he remembered the deep breath castle. He closed his eyes, took a deep breath in, and as he breathed out, he imagined the broken toy fixing itself with each brick of his breath. When he opened his eyes, he didn't feel as upset anymore. He even helped his sister fix the toy. Henry learned that keeping his emotions stable was like having a superpower. It helped him think clearly, solve problems, and even made him feel happier. As time went by, everyone noticed how calm and collected Henry had become. His friends enjoyed playing with him more because he was fair and fun. Even when things didn't go his way, Henry felt proud of himself for mastering the art of keeping his emotions stable. He knew that it was okay to feel all kinds of feelings, but how he reacted to them made all the difference.